Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's product I want to share with you is a really nice hand cart. This is perfect for if you are going on a picnic, maybe you're doing chores around the house, maybe you are going to the beach, or you work in a field where you need to bring drawings and like samples and things like I do, or maybe you're just needing something for when you run up to the store. This thing will have you fully covered. So this was sent over by KEDSUM, and it is a 2-in-1 cart. The reason it is a 2-in-1 is you can see it has this really nice weather resistant bag on it. This simply can slide off, and then you basically have a little dolly, if you will. It is fully collapsible, so it does collapse down to where it's nice and small, easy to store. To give you an idea of the overall size of this thing, it's about 16.5 inches wide. It's about 15.25 inches in depth, and it's about 39.25 inches tall. Now, when it is folded, it is 16.5 inches wide and 7 inches in depth and 20.25 inches tall. So it gets really, really narrow, which means you can put it on a shelf and whatnot. And then the bag itself is quite large. It is 13.8 inches wide by 11 inches deep and 24.25 inches tall. Now, compared to other carts out there, this one has some extra features that I really like on it. We've had another one, and it just kind of felt less sturdy in quality construction like this. So first off, all the frame here is made out of a nice solid steel that is galvanized. And then another big thing is the wheels themselves. So they are solid rubber wheels that screw into place. And they've got obviously a great texture on them. So they're easy to cart around on uneven surfaces. So whether you're going through a gravel, whether you're going through sand, dirt, grass, concrete, they're going to fully cover you on that aspect. So that is a big thing. I really like the sturdy frame of it, and then also the wheels. Now, another thing, like I said, it's very, very stable, and this one seems to have a nice, good crossbar at the bottom on each side that helps a lot with the stability when moving it around, which is another ideal aspect of it. Now, the bag itself is very nice. It's got a nice shiny coat on it. It is made out of a nylon fabric that is weather resistant, and it's nice and thick. It's got a nice thick kind of like foam built into it, and the inside is also water resistant. It is going to have a big little Velcro strap here, which means you can seal it multiple ways. There is pockets on either side, and then you have a zipper pocket in the front. When you open it up, you're going to have another pocket in the back of it that has a little flap that you can move. And then finally, you're going to have kind of like this pocket on the inside, and then the huge, big section down at the bottom that allows you to put all kinds of stuff. Now, when you are not utilizing the bag, it does come with a little kind of collapsible bag here that you can also utilize if you wish. You can use this separate, or you can fold this all and put it in there. It's very, very easy to utilize. It also has drawstrings at the top, so that way you can pull the top in before closing it. Now, the back handle part itself is collapsible. It has a little button here, so it is height adjustable for you, as makes it easy, and then it's very easy to slide off the bag. The whole bag itself just slides off. Another thing that's really nice about the bag itself is that if you notice, it stays up. It's compared to other ones that I've used, this has got a nice stiffness to it, so it doesn't get all wrinkly, it doesn't collapse on you, which makes it great, especially when I'm utilizing it for drawings or kind of samples and stuff like that. It holds its shape really, really nice. But overall, it's a really nice hand cart. Like I said, it's got a solid construction, very well made, very easy to assemble. All you have to do is put on the nice solid rubber wheels, and then utilize. You can easily rolls along, and then when you're not ready to utilize it, it's very easy to collapse and put in your car or store away when you're not utilizing it. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little hand cart, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.